Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y18t with stylish design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD sunlight display, with 6.56 inches HD plus water drop notch. Display resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 83.6% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, 840 nits HBM brightness, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 0.08 megapixel depth camera with aperture 3.04. Selfies, it has 8 megapixel front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T612 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4GB extended RAM, and 128GB of eMMC 5.1 on-board storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39 mm, and it weights around 185 grams, and the color options, space black, gem green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, single speaker with 150% boosted volume support, IP54 dust and splash resistant, FM radio support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y18t has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 9,499 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y18t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.